Hello everybody, I would just like to thank everyone that came onto our Patreon and joined the Patreon and helps us create all the content that you guys like watching and helps us, keep moving forward and doing all of this rad stuff because it is very expensive to do and it does come out of our own pockets, so that helps us out a lot. Thank you so very, very much. Thank you all for getting in on the Grom giveaway, and today, right now, I'm gonna announce the winner. Our sweepstakes company drew the winner this morning. We vetted the winner, which we have to make sure that they're a legal citizen and they live in the 48 and all that jive. The winner is, are you ready? I'm not gonna tell you yet. I'm gonna thank the sponsors for the bike really quick. We have Saddleman made this. This is the Cruzy Originals Tuck and Roll Tri-Gripper Step-Up Seat. This is for early model first gen Grom. What is that, 15 to 19?
15 to it's like 14 to 16 or 17, somewhere in there.
Somewhere around there. Elite Mototech, we have an Elite Mototech lever on here, which we run these on every single bike that we own. You guys see us have these on everything. They are the best. They are our favorite. ND Customs for these super fancy cam lock style adjusters. Those things are super dope. Those are the only ones that came in sponsorship wise. This bike does have Galfers on it front and rear. It's got Owen's front and rear. That's all stuff that we provided and put on the bike because it's nice and we wanted to. It has some sort of exhaust that I don't know what it is, but it sounds pretty good. It runs pretty good. It's tuned with a power vision, all that jive. It is ready to go. It's got 500 miles on it, and it is going to the lucky winner, who is, I'm not going to tell you yet because we've also got t-shirts in stock. Shirts like crazy. We've got new designs. We've got old designs. And we've got a 10-year anniversary design coming out soon. Well, thank you so much. The winner is Mike Baracho?
Baraccio.
Mike Baraccio. I think
put his
he's out of
Instagram
California.
in the bottom. Yep.
We'll put his Instagram down below if we have it. Thank you guys so very much for participating. Next, I think we're going to give away my 100th anniversary bike. I know I wouldn't sell it, but I didn't say I wouldn't give it away. Thank you. Peace.